Fēnix 5 Plus series. Download data fields from Connect IQ app. First, pair your device with Garmin Connect mobile app. Once it is paired, open Connect IQ app. Make sure that the green light next to the device is on, which means it has connected to Connect IQ. Select Device. Select My Data Fields. Select Get More Data Fields. Select the data field that you want to download. Scroll down to select Compatible Devices. You may check compatible devices. Go back to the last page. Select Download. Select OK. Wait for the download to complete. The data field has been downloaded successfully. Go back to the last page. Select Device. Then you will see the data field that has just been downloaded. To remove the data field, select the data field that you want to remove and select Uninstall. The downloaded data field can be displayed on the device. Press Start button. Select one of the activities such as Run. Press and hold Up button. Select Run Settings. Select Data Screens. Scroll up to Add New. Custom Data. Scroll down to choose the layout that you want. Select Connect IQ Fields. Select the data field you just downloaded. The data field has been added.